Tired of stubborn grease and burnt-on residue ruining your cookouts? In this video, we're revealing the best barbecue grill cleaner to keep your grill spotless, safe, and ready for every backyard feast. Let's fire it up. Number 1. Horsepower Grill Cleaner. When it comes to powerful, hassle-free grill cleaning, the Horsepower Grill Cleaner stands out as a remarkable option. Proudly invented in the USA by Bullhead, a respected family-owned company since 1983, this innovative tool combines American ingenuity with modern cleaning technology. One of the most distinctive features is its built-in LED spotlight, which provides precise visibility for nighttime grilling or tackling stubborn grime in hard-to-see areas. Forget about the hazards of old-fashioned wire brushes. This next-generation cleaner uses a solid stainless steel roller that spins at an impressive 350 RPM. That means it can effectively scrub away burnt-on residue without leaving behind dangerous bristles that could end up in your food. Designed for both power and simplicity, the Horsepower Grill Cleaner operates cordless, offering the convenience of mobility without sacrificing strength. A notable highlight is its reusable, dishwasher-safe brush head, making cleanup after cleaning as easy as the grilling itself. The heavy-duty 304 stainless steel roller ensures durability and reliable performance even with frequent use. To get the best results, users are encouraged to fully charge the device before first use, a step emphasized in the product's packaging. A full 4-hour charge powers the cleaner to tackle even the most stubborn char and grease. This product is thoughtfully engineered for grill enthusiasts who value both efficiency and safety. The combination of cordless operation, powerful RPM speed, and a safe, bristle-free roller makes it ideal for gas, charcoal, and pellet grills. Whether you're dealing with greasy grates after a barbecue feast or prepping for the next big cookout, the Horsepower Grill Cleaner simplifies the job. Its built-in LED light ensures no residue is overlooked, while the reusable, dishwasher-safe head means no fuss when it's time to clean the cleaner itself. If you're searching for a reliable, powerful, and safe grill cleaning tool, this product delivers on all fronts. Number 2. Grill Rescue Grill Cleaner. For those who prioritize safety and efficiency in their grilling routine, the Grill Rescue Grill Cleaner is an outstanding choice. Unlike conventional wire brushes that can pose safety hazards, this bristle-free grill brush ensures no stray bristles end up in your food, offering peace of mind with every cookout. Its versatile design makes it compatible with a wide range of grill types, including gas, charcoal, porcelain, ceramic, cast iron, and stainless steel grates. Trusted by thousands of seasoned grill masters, this cleaner brings professional-grade performance to every backyard chef. What sets this product apart is its premium heat-resistant construction. The cleaning head is fortified with a high-temperature aramid fiber layer, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature not only ensures durability, but also allows for safe, efficient cleaning without damaging your grill surface. Additionally, the brush head is dishwasher safe, making post-cleaning maintenance a breeze. Ease of use is another key advantage. Simply preheat your grill, then dip the brush in water, and the Grill Rescue's steam cleaning technology takes over, effortlessly lifting grease and grime from the grates. This cleaning technique ensures a thorough job while preserving the integrity of your grill's surface. The rugged propylene handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, making it easy to tackle tough, sticky residue without strain. Number 3. Grillbot Grill Cleaner. If you dread cleaning your grill after a cookout, the Grillbot Grill Cleaner is about to become your favorite backyard gadget. Touted as the world's first automatic barbecue grill cleaner, this clever device eliminates the hassle of manual scrubbing. Featuring 3 rotating nylon brushes, the Grillbot effortlessly tackles stubborn grease, grime, and charred residue, ensuring your grill stays in top-notch condition without the elbow grease. Using the Grillbot is wonderfully simple. Place it on your preheated grill, press start, and let the robotic cleaner work its magic. It runs on a powerful motor with a push-button start and an LCD timer and alarm display keeping you informed of cleaning progress. Once the job's done, the Grillbot beeps to signal completion, so you can relax while it takes care of the dirty work. This product is a thoughtful gift idea for BBQ enthusiasts, especially those who enjoy grilling frequently. Its hands-free operation means more time socializing and less time scrubbing grates. The brushes are safe for all types of grill surfaces, making it a versatile choice for gas, charcoal, and pellet grills. While designed for ease of use, the Grillbot also delivers serious cleaning power, efficiently removing even heavy, stuck-on gunk. With a compact, lightweight design,
The Grillbot is easy to store and transport, and its brushes are replaceable to ensure long-lasting performance. It's the perfect gadget for anyone who loves to grill but hates to clean it afterwards. Whether for yourself or as a gift for a fellow grill master, the Grillbot Grill Cleaner makes post-barbecue tidying quick, easy, and hands-free.
Number 4. Newkitchen Grill Cleaner. Combining safety, practicality, and innovation, the Newkitchen Grill Cleaner offers a modern solution for grill maintenance. Unlike traditional wire brushes that risk bristles breaking off into food, this steam-powered cleaner melts away grease and residue without the hazards. Perfect for grill lovers concerned about safety, it's designed to keep your family's meals clean and worry-free. A notable feature is its extended reinforced handle, a direct response to feedback from grill masters who found previous designs too short, leading to burns from steam exposure. This thoughtful improvement enhances safety and comfort, allowing users to clean a hot grill without risk. The brush head's Kevlar fiber construction boasts excellent heat resistance, enduring temperatures up to 600 degrees F while remaining durable and effective. The Newkitchen Grill Cleaner also includes a multifunctional scraper attached to the brush head. This versatile tool adapts to various grill shapes, easily removing tough, sticky grease and heavy carbon buildup. The cleaning process is straightforward. Heat your grill to 400 degrees F, scrape off stubborn residues, soak the brush in water, and let the power of steam finish the job. It's efficient, effective, and eliminates the need for harsh chemicals. Ideal for grill enthusiasts seeking a safer, more efficient alternative to wire brushes, this cleaner delivers excellent performance. Its durable construction, enhanced safety features, and multifunctional design make it a valuable addition to any barbecue toolkit. Whether you're cleaning a flat top, a gas, or charcoal grill, the Newkitchen Grill Cleaner ensures a spotless, hazard-free grilling surface every time. Number 5. Scraper Grill Cleaner. For those who want versatility and safety in a grill cleaning tool, this Scraper Grill Cleaner is an excellent pick. Designed with a bristle-free approach, it eliminates the risks associated with traditional wire brushes, offering peace of mind for families and frequent grillers alike. It's compatible with all grill surfaces, including gas, charcoal, and ceramic, making it a reliable all-purpose cleaning solution. This innovative brush combines powerful steam cleaning technology with a dual-purpose design. One side scrubs away food residue and grime without bristles, while the other side tackles stubborn, baked-on grease. The wide brush head covers more surface area per stroke, reducing cleaning time and effort while ensuring a spotless grill. The Scraper Grill Cleaner's heat-resistant build ensures durability even with frequent, high-temperature use. Its rust-resistant materials maintain long-lasting performance, while the wide, ergonomic handle provides a secure grip for easy maneuvering. The standout feature is its replaceable cleaning head, extending the tool's life and offering a cost-effective, sustainable solution for avid grillers. Cleaning is quick and effective. Preheat the grill, dip the brush in water, and use steam to break down grease and food residue effortlessly. This method ensures a thorough clean without damaging grill grades or leaving harmful debris behind. It's a practical tool that combines safety, convenience, and efficient cleaning power.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.